The Camry's 3.5-liter V6 puts out 301 horsepower and 267 pounds-to-foot of torque mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It should be enough to take the checkered flag, but our testing found the V6 got the Camry from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, and the 2018 Accord 2.0T Touring got to the line in 5.7 seconds, but only when the Turbo 4 is mated to the 10-speed automatic. When we tested the Accord with the 6-speed manual, it took 6.2 seconds. The Camry relatively quiet on the road, with a few refinement lapses. The engine note at idle is louder and less pleasing than others in the class. The chassis performed well on all surfaces. Handling exceeded expectations on the winding course, helped by the car's weight loss. The Camry looks expensive from a distance, but some issues cheapen the experience. The doors open so wide it is a stretch to grab them from inside the car. And they make a tinny sound when you close them, a surprising oversight. It is more pronounced in the hybrid we tested. But overall, the hybrid's 2.5-liter 4-cylinder mated to an electric motor suits the personality of the Camry better. Another distracting sound is the hydraulics when you set or release the parking brake.